Kia Boda Boda Safety Association of Kenya BAK au bakurwanera Dominic Babu Nyakirogobo nige mambia rero baigora obisi sub county ya Nyamira South eyibo igo irachi kutumye kubona obisi county ya Nyamira asaba na boda boda barachi konyora obokoreri ukwana se obisi echo chigotoka se omuchyo maneno Nyamira imiye ward ya township ensemo ye bunge ya West Mugrango nigo ensemo ya yomuteneli ongafu imiye county ya Nyamira Fontinangare ainikire buna aba na boda boda bwo kwebwaterania asebyombe eriyo banyoro gusirwa kurwa serikali gentokera agendera kubakonya ase ubugima bwabo. Stephen Nyarikembude na roboti urwase obwimemano.
Tunaenda kuifungua kwa niaba ya mheshimiwa
Abarundia chipikipiki hinse ye kiombe ya PAK gose Boda Boda Safety Association of Kenya bakorawa no Munyakirogo bwe county ya Nyamira Dominic Babu igori tukoria rero baigora habisi asomo cyo Nyamira munenjira ya moyo korobya obokoreri bwabo ase enjira yo gosira bana boda boda asobo sombi
arezwa ja kwigora obisi cha boda boda chi county ya Nyamira ne cha Nyamira South. I think as the county ya Nyamira for the last 15 years duanya gotwara obisi chire functional kera aba chairman chitu cha Nyamira mono the other day twigora obisi ya manga masaba not ne bwata obisi werabu ne bwata obisi they we are doing it finally for obisi county and obisi sub county. This is the final obisi one amna to Boda Boda Safety Association of Kenya BAK to atwari obisi the entire all the 5 sub counties plus 1 county, that those are 6 offices chigo chigo kwa services sasa abantu baito chigo chigo abundisanga bako so ebyombe
mwaro desi metindu abero obisi atwa basi watu watu kumtari sabali yamo ande to basa kwera na magera Boda Boda ina sector ya sana we banga na bakonyara wa benefit ku waro so beri awa
obisi to bwata ga Nyamira ono tutaite mwacha obisi any problem mo twara gwacha obisi no musigo obwate gokora to obisi
Nyakirogo Dominic Babu ekerekyo ni gabwatukire segeto gocha Banyakirogo bonsi ase stage chimironge 5 se county ya Nyamira kwene kingangu Eric abare munebyombe bene eriyo bachikonyore siro
bada nariko basaba nande kusikuri ya statistics jito out of the 350 stages in Nyamira almost 75 boda boda stages you had certificate from the social services. Now we have until 1 month from now before that people empowerment I make sure about chira social services but also certificate because I had promised any development was any fundraising which era gonna say county ya Nyamira kama temu jiwe sanje betu I will not allow that wanjiwe jiko changwe county ya Nyamira jiko trickle down to all boda boda stages. And so when you to jangaru maybe 5 million kere sub county kwa 1 million chibe se chose bi ejiko tringos down baka mwana boda boda uri orezare
Musubati Fontinangare oyuoro akurwa bisi yomo teneri wabasubati Nyamira moskecherusha mumanyi nigekerekyo hagenderere kwerera obuyabu abekirwe no bisi yomo teneri wabasubati Nyamira eriyo kwene kingango sirabare byombe anene mono ebya boda boda
asengento babere bakogora chi office yechiga twabere tokoba kambani omweshimiwa obere behind etimu yega asengento 1 ere no mokoreri bwabana youth na boda boda majority ebare wana youth na endekera abeiro gokorega sina barabo yarorekanire na mapato already orure over 70 groups cha Nyamira this financial year yoka arure to the boda boda echindo orure echinde nchitigarete akorwe fund ere between 140 to 150,000. Sometimes ekertua nyore a group that is so organized ko egubare tent toko nyore group is so organized ko egubare binto awa ebinge vire in the affirmative action fund ne group yega is ne rie yemo yabo ebekire asset team chirichi affirmative action fund eyo omwesimiwa Jerusalem e patron
Kurobotene wa boda boda ni gwekerekyo bwa mwiranire mbia mono moskecherusha mumanyi aso kwendra gotenena ne kiombe ya boda boda kati ya baraibande kurwase county ya Nyamira
igendo kenera ari wakera omo women repoito or represent the fund manager otobwaterere muna boda boda he has really supported the boda boda groups. The other day was in Kemera it kolina na arenge ga konate I think munere ore deputy patron is there boda boda county there Nyamira. We want to say thank you so much to the our patron who is the Solicitor General Shadrack Amose. I know you are bringing big things to us.
Stephen Nyarikembonde, Ensoko TV, Township, County ya Nyamira.